Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, you can see here a full box of toys. So now I will introduce with you one by one all of these toys with you. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is a Deshi vehicle auto rickshaw. This is a yellow, white and black color combination. This nice Deshi vehicle auto rickshaw. So I collect this one at my side here. And next one is a cartoony model flying horse. This is a yellow, blue and orange color combination. This nice flying horse. Oh friends, now I take a big size mixer truck. This is a red, black, yellow and blue color combination 6-wheeler mixer truck. This is a realistic model plastic toy, so I collect this one at my side here. Oh friends, you can see this one is a police car. This is a yellow, pink and green color combination. This nice police car. Next one is a power backhoe. This is a yellow and black color combination realistic model. This power backhoe. This is very nice and powerful. And this one is a police bike with a police. This is a blue and white color combination UN Force cartoony model police bike with a police. And this one is a drum truck. Oh, this is a cartoony model 6-wheeler drum truck. You can see this drum truck. This is a red, black and white color combination. This nice 6-wheeler drum truck. Oh friends, now I take a very big size vehicle. This one is mixer truck with a roller. This is a yellow and black color combination realistic model. This is a mixer truck with a roller. And this one is a dirt bike. This is white, red and blue color combination. This nice dirt bike. This is a realistic model plastic toy. Oh friends, now I take a 6-wheeler RAV Super Bus. This is a red, black and white color combination. This RAV Super Bus. And next one is a cartoony model car. This is a red, black and white color combination. This cartoony model car. So I collect this one here. And this is the last one is here a Sakib cover van. This is a yellow, blue, black and red color combination. This Sakib cover van. So I also collect this one at my side here. So friends, all vehicles introduced with you and you can see all are together here. All vehicles are very nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles. Wow.